What's up guys, today's video is on the best automatic self-cleaning litter boxes. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Whisker Litter-Robot for pet. If you've done any study regarding self-cleaning litter box, it's likely that you've encountered the Litter-Robot 3 Connect, a clever automated litter box that appears as if it's a spaceship rather than an actual bathroom for cats. If you are averse to cleaning litter, the Litter-Robot may be the ideal product for you. The Litter-Robot isn't expensive, and if you will be spending hundreds of dollars for an expensive device, it's likely to perform very well. Therefore, we set out to test the Litter-Robot 3 Connect on our own to determine if it's truly as revolutionary as it appeared. We mentioned that this Litter-Robot 3 looks more like an futuristic spaceship rather than an actual litter box. The company says that cats need to weigh at least 5 pounds in weight to trigger the sensor, however this is the only restriction to use. It's a great option for homes with a single cat or multiple cats. There's no maximum weight limit, meaning that big cats shouldn't have any issues with the box. In terms of design, the Litter-Robot includes two main components, which are the rotating globe and then the base. Both are made of high-quality plastic. It is lined in rubber and has sensors that your cat can trigger. When the sensor is turned off, the unit will count down a certain duration of time. It is possible to select 3, 15, 7, or 3 minutes using the app prior to beginning the program. We chose 7 minutes. Number 2. PETKIT Pura X Self-Cleaning Litter Box. It is PETKIT Pura X like the Litter-Robot that we picked as our top overall pick for, which uses an internal cylinder to completely rotate the reservoir of litter to ensure it flows through a filtering screen that gets rid of cat waste in clumps. Similar to the Litter-Robot, the Pura X can be programmed to run this task manually according to the basis of a timer or when a cat is finished by using it. In tests, the Pura X performed with similar excellent results. In testing, the Pura X operates quietly, is easy to clean, and features a stylish design that can appear like your cat's pooping is flying around in a tiny spaceship. The most significant issue that our tester found was the smaller opening that was less than half of the circumference of the large opening of the Litter-Robot 4. This makes Pura X a less attractive option for those with large cats. Although it is true that the Pura X is suitable for cats that weigh up around 18 pounds, one user struggled to get all 4 cats to use it consistently. There are other areas that it is evident that the Pura X takes a different style of design than that of the Litter-Robot 4, making selecting between them an issue of personal preference. This is evident in the interface of the device. While the Litter-Robot 4 opts for big, bright, vibrant indicators that allow users to access the majority of functions directly, however, the Pura X has a more minimalist interface. It has only 2 buttons to control a tiny OLED display that sits on the top of the box. The test subject found it to be usable, but perhaps a bit restrictive. Number 3. Pet Zone Automatic Litter Box. Its Smart Scoop Litter Box detects that your cat has been using the litter box and after which it cleans it 30 minutes afterward. It is operated by the rake, which rubs across the litter box and then scoops up any clumps it finds into an reservoir. One reviewer summarized the issue by stating it was that Pet Zone's Smart Scoop Automatic Litter Box doesn't dazzle with bells and whistles, but absolutely does the trick. Pet Zone is also surprisingly silent, raking the container in a steady cycle that does an excellent job of collecting the majority of garbage. The unit includes 6 plastic bags to help get you going. The machine also comes with an carbon zeolite filter, which is able to be fitted into a bracket that is located on the bottom of the lid to the waste container. Although our home test participant wasn't overly impressed by the overall quality of the construction and criticized its design, the plastic material she used was pleased by the overall performance. It doesn't have the fanciest design, but it's good for what it is and what you pay for. Number 4. PetSafe ScoopFree Self-Cleaning. We looked at an earlier model of the PetSafe ScoopFree Self-Cleaning Litter Box in the year 2020, and a lot of what we wrote is still valid. The most important decision you'll have to determine is whether your cat is ready to use crystal litter. This type of litter utilizes non-clumping silica beads to absorb liquids rather than hardening. Crystal litter comes with a number of advantages, including powerful ability to absorb odors and also a lack of grit or dust. But not all cats loves crystal litter, and there is a possible adjustment time. Additionally, crystal litter is likely to be more costly. If you are certain that your cat is ready to go to crystal litter, the PetSafe ScoopFree covered self-cleaning litter box is among the best options to enjoy maximum benefit. The automatic box will rake the litter after 20 minutes your cat is finished using it and then moves solid waste into a separate area. In the meantime, the silica absorb urine and other odors. Each month, once for a single cat house, you simply take across the whole tray and place a lid over it and dispose of it. Of course, this will mean purchasing a new litter tray every month or more frequently. While the PetSafe ScoopFree is less expensive in comparison to our top overall automated box, but the expense for using the exact same costly litter each month can increase quickly. Although it is possible to empty the waste container without having to replace the entire box, our test discovered that this was an awkward task that required removal of the entire upper portion of the device. Number 5. Smarty Pair Automatic Cat Litter Box. The Smarty Pair's Leo's Loot 2 is the cheapest of the top cylinder design automatic litter boxes that we suggest, however we discovered it to be almost as good as Pura X and the Litter-Robot 4 and Pura X. It doesn't have the large open entrance of its cousin, the Litter-Robot 4. The Leo's Loot 2 is more similar with the Pura X in its operation and is quiet during an emptying cycle. In other words, it's a common design that rotates a barrel in such a way that the litter flows through a grate and leaves some solid clumps that are deposited into the lower reservoir. The app isn't as enjoyable in comparison to the sleek Whisker application, however. What makes this Smarty Pair automatic litter box distinct is its connectivity to smart homes. It is able to sync to both Alexa as well as Google Home and Google Home. The Leo's Loot 2 can be the most suitable option for anyone wanting to use their litter box via the voice of their voice. It's also a good choice for those who are concerned about microbes. Smarty Pair. Smarty Pair utilizes UV sterilization by blasting the waste drawer with light rays, which eliminate most viruses and bacteria. It's a bit overkill as waste is already contained in plastic bags, however it could appeal to certain. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.